Well, today we're in Shafter. We're at Sequoia Elementary School, and today we're here to... All right, today we're at Sequoia Elementary School with 5th grade student Adan. You ready?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and read for us what we have to do today.
Solve the proportion.
So we have a over 9 is equal to 4 over 16. Now, 4 over 16, that's 1/4, right? Because 4 will go into both of those, right?
Yes.
Okay, so if we divided each of these by 4, we would get 1 over 4. And that's pretty easy to see. But to get this equal to that, there's going to be a little problem here. So how would you like to start the problem, or are you like, I have no idea what we're going to do?
We start the problem by multiplying 9 by 4.
Okay, so we're going to cross multiply. So why don't you go ahead and grab the marker. So what is 9 by 4? 9 times 4.
9 times 4 is 36.
Okay, so for one side we get 36, right? So we get 9 times 4 equals 36. So that's this. If we multiply 16 in A, what do we get? 16A, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and write 36 equals 16A. But now we need to figure out what that is, don't we? Okay, so in order to figure out what A is, we're going to isolate it, so we're going to divide by 16.
Yes.
So on the side, wherever you'd like to, go 36 divided by 16. So how many times do you think 16 is going to go in there? 5 times? Well, 5 times 10 is going to be 50, right? So that's going to be a little too high. So 16, we know it's going to go in there at least once, right?
Yes.
What is 16 times 2?
32.
32. Well, that's pretty close to it, isn't it? Mm-hmm. All right, so how many times will it go in there?
2.
2 times. All right, so we'll put the 2 up there. 16 times 2 is?
32.
Okay. But 16 won't go into 4 evenly, will it? It won't even go in there at all. So what do we do now?
You add a 0 at the end.
Perfect.
And drop it down.
Perfect. But put a decimal point there since we're adding a 0. So now 16 into 40. We know 2 times was 32, right?
Yes.
Will it go another time more than that?
No.
No. So it'll go another 2 times. And what would you do? Good. So now what? Because 16 won't go into 8 evenly.
Yes, it will.
Well, 8 will go into 16, but 16 won't go into 8. So what do we have to do?
We have to drop down another 0.
Drop another 0. So now 16 into 80. Well, we know it's going to go more than 2 times because that was 32. So how many times do you think? Do you remember what you wanted to try first?
We'll go in 3 times.
Well, at first you tried a different number. Remember the number you wrote up there first? It was a little too high.
Yes.
What number was that? Do you remember?
4, I think.
Why don't you go ahead and try 4? Do 16 times 4 over there. $64, not quite 80.
No.
Because originally you tried to do 5, so go ahead and do 16 times 5. So it goes in perfectly, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. So how many times does 16 go into 80?
5 times.
All right, and where do we put the 5?
Behind 0 and the 2.
Right. All right. So now, what can we put up here for A?
2.25.
Right. So go ahead and write down here. We'll go A equals. All right. There you go. A is equal to 2.25. And you know another way to say that instead of saying point?
2 and 25 tenths. 2 and 25 hundredths.
There you go. Perfectly done. Adan, good work.